Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes with Cash App. First, ensure you have all necessary tax documents ready, such as your W-2 forms and any 1099 forms. Next, open your Cash App and navigate to the Taxes section. You'll either create a new account or log in if you've used it before. This platform makes filing straightforward and free for both federal and state returns. Once logged in, you'll begin entering your personal information, including your social security number and address. Carefully input all your income details from your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other sources. Don't forget to report any self-employment income. The system will then guide you through claiming eligible deductions and credits, which can significantly reduce your tax liability. After entering all your information, take your time to thoroughly review your entire tax return. It's crucial to double-check all numbers, names, and addresses for accuracy. Any errors could delay your refund or lead to issues. Once you're confident everything is correct, you'll electronically sign your federal and state returns. Then, simply click to submit them directly through Cash App Taxes. After successfully filing, you can track the status of your federal refund directly on the IRS website using their Where's My Refund tool. Remember to save digital or physical copies of all your submitted tax documents for your records. This is important for future reference or if you ever need to amend your return. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.